Today we're taking a close look at the Parkside Precision Toolkit, 66 pieces. A compact but powerful set designed for electronics, DIY repairs, and any kind of detailed technical work. Inside the box, you get a precision screwdriver handle, an extension shaft, magnetic adapters, sockets, and a wide selection of precision bits, all neatly organized inside a strong, compact storage case. This is the kind of toolkit you grab when working on laptops, smartphones, tablets, gaming controllers, cameras, small appliances, glasses, toys, or any tight space repair job around the house. The bit selection covers almost everything you'll ever need. Phillips, flat, Torx, hex, star, security bits, and small sockets. Everything is clearly placed and well organized, so you always know where each bit belongs. No searching, no mess, just grab and work. Perfect for home use, workshop projects, or even keeping it in your car, backpack, or tool bag. Here I'm showing you the main screwdriver body. Notice the red rotating top. This allows you to apply pressure while spinning freely with your palm. That makes one-handed precision work smooth and effortless, especially when dealing with tiny screws or delicate components. The grip itself feels solid and comfortable, giving you full control even during longer repair sessions. And thanks to the slim design, you can easily reach deep or narrow areas where standard screwdrivers simply don't fit. Now this is the magnetic adapter, extremely useful when you need to grab screws from hard-to-reach places, guide them into position, or prevent them from falling inside devices. If you've ever dropped a screw inside a laptop or appliance, you already know how valuable this feature is. You also get an extension rod, giving you extra reach when working inside casings, electronics housings, or tight mechanical spaces. And here's the adapter that allows you to use this precision set with bigger screwdrivers or electric drivers. I'm showing it here with the Parkside screwdriver we already featured on the channel, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. That means this precision toolkit easily integrates with your existing Parkside tools and gives you even more flexibility when working. From assembling furniture and fixing electronics, to hobby projects, RC models, or quick household repairs. This set covers a huge range of everyday tasks. Overall, this 66-piece precision toolkit is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast, technician, or home fixer. Compact, versatile, well-built, and packed with everything you need for detailed jobs in one small case. If you found this useful, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and join the Mr. EAGLESTONE crew for more tool reviews, DIY projects, and workshop upgrades. See you in the next one. And remember, great tools make great projects.